Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents. This simple drink will burn away your belly fat in just a few weeks. Studies have shown that when it comes to getting rid of belly fat, lemon water is amazing. Losing belly fat is one of the healthiest things that can happen to anybody that has it. And it's not because by doing so, the body returns back to shape. Losing belly fat helps prevent conditions like type 2 diabetes and heart disease. As a matter of fact, studies have shown that having lots of fat in the abdominal area is strongly linked to these diseases. However, studies have shown that diet and exercise are the best ways to get rid of belly fat. But there are also home remedies that can be used to make the process much more efficient. The remedy I have for you today will help you burn fat at an incredibly fast rate, resulting in the shedding of a substantial number of pounds. Ginger water, the best natural fat burner. Ginger is not only a natural digestive aid that helps with nausea and an upset stomach, it is also thermogenic, which means it increases your body's temperature to let it burn fat more efficiently. As a matter of fact, ginger also suppresses the production of cortisol, which is a stress hormone. Stress causes weight gain, so ginger helps prevent this. Drinking ginger tea daily can really help with losing belly fat. How to get rid of belly fat with ginger? The ingredients you need to make ginger tea is 1 tablespoon of freshly grated ginger, 2 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of raw honey, the juice from half of a lemon. Put the water in a saucepan and bring it to a boil. Then add the ginger and turn off the heat. Place the lid on the pot and let it simmer for 10 minutes. Next, strain the tea into a mug and then add the lemon juice and sweetener and mix. At night before bedtime is a great time to drink this tea. Your digestion will improve as well. Ginger is a powerful digestive remedy that can help treat a variety of problems and improve the absorption of nutrients in your gut. Thanks to this, your digestion and metabolism will work faster, which will result in further weight loss. Finally, this powerful remedy will also relieve joint pain as a bonus. Ginger is an anti-inflammatory ingredient that works against arthritis and similar inflammatory conditions. As you can see, there is no reason not to try this great remedy. It will help you lose weight while improving your overall health, so start drinking it today and you will see the difference soon enough. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.